What's up everybody? Welcome to another episode of the Ultimate Funchal Guide. Today we're in the Funchal Fish Market. Let's go check it out. So I'm at the Oliveira's winery. It's one of the oldest wineries in Madeira, and today I'm trying a Malvasia wine from the year 2000. It's gonna be awesome.
I'm Lisa. We are here in the top of the Igreja do Colégio, the college church. For just 1 year we can come to the tower, and this has some awesome views of Funchal, so come along, let's take a look. This church doesn't look like a typical cathedral like what you might expect from other European cities, but when this temple was built, it wasn't meant to be a cathedral. This was built in the early 1500s to accommodate a growing population in Funchal. Nowadays the cathedral is one of the most touristic areas in Funchal. It's one of the landmarks in Funchal. So this is the statue of Christopher Columbus. He was first here to do a sugar trade. Later he got married with the daughter of the governor of Porto Santo. So he lived in Funchal for a few months, and then he lived 2 years in Porto Santo. explore Funchal with you. We hope you enjoyed and we hope to see you soon in Madeira. Bye bye!
'Cause it's so bittersweet symphony, this life. Try to make ends meet. You're a slave to money, then you die.
Okay, we had here in the front, around 100 meters, we had some dolphins. You can see already some white waters, it's them, they are around. So you can see the birds, they are following to the dolphins because they bring this kind of fish to the surface and they feed together.
The end of our Funchal series. I'd like to say thank you to everybody who's watched this. Thank you for everybody involved. It's an epic ending to an epic series. I'll see you guys next time and check out this awesome sunset that we got going on.